Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing 3 healthy salad recipes you can make in just 10 minutes. Ready in 10 minutes. Calories 310 per serving. Protein 12 grams per serving. 1 quinoa veggie salad. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Add all vegetables to cooked quinoa. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad. Mix well and serve. Benefits: rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and long-lasting energy. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 280 calories, 8 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of fiber, and 11 grams of healthy fats. 2 chickpea Mediterranean salad. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Combine all ingredients. Pour olive oil and lemon dressing. Mix gently. Serve fresh. Benefits: high in protein and fiber while supporting heart health. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 310 calories, 12 grams of protein, 32 grams of carbohydrates, 9 grams of fiber, and 14 grams of healthy fats. 3 avocado cucumber salad. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. These vegetables. Mix together. Add lime dressing. Serve immediately. Benefits: healthy fats improve heart health and keep you full longer. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 250 calories, 4 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fiber, and 20 grams of healthy fats. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.